it is.
Oh, it's like a pig with a long snoot.
I can't get a good video of it. You go to the right, I think. Or wait, no, it says this way. For Asia. I just said, wasn't it Ansley who did the lost children photo on the last trip? Oh, there's I see you, Annie. Got it. I got a death grip on it, don't worry.
Stick your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. Lean forward to watch the children.
I've never filmed on this ride before. Oh God. Rowan. Hi. Are you taking a yum yum break? Oh. Can I have a Popeye? Can I have an Animal Kingdom Popeye? And my Hattie. Just chilling, aren't we? While Daddy and Sissy ride Everest. Oop, that sun's in your eyes. There we go. Jenny! Ooh, I love you, Popeye. Eh? Uh-huh.
To the right. Because of those stripes, it looks a little bit confusing, kind of like it's related to a zebra in some way, but it is not. New members to this tower of giraffes, that's their animal group name, which makes quite a bit of sense considering they're at this point. That is such a good view. We call a baby zebra a full. As I finish coming around this corner, you'll also spot some beautiful dark brown antelope back in the bush line to our left. Those are called sable antelope, named for their dark brown color. Including the littlest one. And you see the young giraffe Humphrey climbing around, as well as an elephant up ahead of us. Now getting a good look at the mandrills, notice that they don't have a very long tail. Mandrill's tail, and I'm sure that he's hanging out with his mom, Kendi, getting independence from her, kind of day by day, but just having a nice lazy nap. So it's a great photo opportunity because they have
Is that nummy, Sissy? Is Sissy giving you num-nums?
Num-num? Num-num?
Can you give Sissy a Popeye? Hello, one.
Popeye.
You got a little. Feed me.
Popeye.
She got
Popeye.
her mouth open, Annie. Is that good?
Rowan, look. Popeye. Chugga, 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 chugga. Woo.
Aww. Put it in my mouth. Seska stuff, isn't it?
Popeye. Popeye for num-num. Popeye for num-num. Popeye.
You having fun? How many times did you guys ride Everest?
2.
So you rode it 4 times today?
Yeah.
Hattie, have you had fun? Got to see warthogs. Have you had fun? Janie's got ice cream.
Your eyes went wide. Did you see that?
Ice cream?
Ice cream?
Happy hands. Happy hands. Happy hands. Put it in her mouth. Don't tease her. Ooh. Ooh.
Discovery River to Mickey and his pals.
Jamie! Look, there's Mickey and Minnie and Pluto. She's laughing. Did you like that? Huh? Rowan was grinning at that guy as we passed. She was like, "Woo! Look at the dinosaur, Janie Waney."
You love dinosaurs.
I'd say let me ride it with him once, and then I'll feed Janie a bottle.
Bones of a dinosaur died when a giant asteroid crashed into the Earth 65 million years ago. Then it repeats the process
Ride it with my Hattie.
gigantic jigsaw.
Oh,
Joan.
giving out kisses.
Joan, can I have a kiss now? Please?
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Joan.
Do Popeye.
Joan. I see you grinning. Hey.
Don't want kisses. I can't even get it all. Like, one shot. She asked for 2 hot dogs.
Yeah, wonder. I thought it was not going to be this side out. Oh my god, it looks
Torma. How's your burger, Hattie? How's your burger, Matt? We're eating healthy, aren't we, Janie Waney?
There they are.
Do you want a spoon?
Thanks for visiting us today.
Oh my god.
For the safety and health of everyone,
Is it
masks
good?
fully covering your mouth and nose are
R.I.P. Primeval World. We love you.
Do you love Triceratops spins? This is so fun. Is this gonna be me and you's ride? No.
Dance, JoJo.
It made us go forward and backwards.
Woo! Didn't we ride a Touch Me a Bug in 2017?
It's not really riding.
Well, we watched it.
Yeah,
There's a Lou.
I love you, Lou.
Huh.
Put your hand up like this. I want to see how much you does raw.
The monkey?
And that's it.
What am I putting my hand out for?
So I want to see how much you can.
Oh, I got the baby.
That's why you have another hand. I want
My shoulders are pretty brown, but they were brown before we came.
Yeah, my shoulders tanned the bone.
Your attention, please.
No.
Welcome to the Tree of Life Repertory Theater, where our cast of bugs is ready to present their show, It's Tough to Be a Bug.
Are you allowed to touch these?
Yeah. Mum, mum. Say mum, 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 mum. Janie Waney. Because I'm going to feed the baby. Is it full? Well,
It's fine.
hold on. Hi, Janie. Hi. Are you able to drink any? Daddy and Sissy are in an hour-long line. So we're taking a break, aren't we? We're taking a break. We got some nummies. We got a drink. Hi. Is that good? I started recording. Dad.
Owen.
Do you like that? No. Just spill it out of your mouth. Loves me. I may be dead. You know what? And if you don't want to use it as a straw, I guess it's just a plain keychain.
Taking a turn for the worst.
Look at me.
Who loves their mommy?
Me and Lila. And I have a pretty little dress and Lila's naked because she's always nude because she's a pig and she doesn't wear clothes because she's a pig, so she doesn't need to wear clothes because she's a pig.
What are you doing? Happy girl. Is that fun? Flashy. You want to put your feet up here? What are you doing? I want to get other people's kids in my picture.
I don't really like this.
Rowan! Rowan! Where's Mama? Here comes Hattie. Why didn't you bring your book?
I was scared it would get wet.
No, you're fine.
Hi, honey. Woo! Are you having fun with Sissy and Daddy? I'm half underwater. Touch my bangs, hurt my eyes.
Oh, your hair is leaking. Get the baby. As I can see a red streak coming down your face. Maybe don't let your hair get wet. Yeah.
I was thinking if we're doing like castle pictures tomorrow of all of it, I hope my hair is a strip of color.
Well, it won't be, but you've definitely got some red streaks going down your neck.
Yeah, because I've only washed it 2 times, I think, since I dyed
But
it.
honey, you need to dye your hair and get it washed before we go. Rowan!
The color gets faded.
Rowan, it's warmer over here. That baby pool area is freezing. Look at her hair.
Can't tell if she's gonna laugh or cry.
No.
Wait, hang on.
Rowan,
Now.
give Sissy kissies.
Rowan, kissy.
Give Sissy a tissy. No. I said I don't want it. Oh, good girl. Hey, Rowan, can you give Hattie a Popeye?
Jane, Popeye.
Give Hattie a Popeye.
Jane. Jane.
Give Sissy a tissy.
Jane, Popeye. Do Popeye. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh.